Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Empress Blessing Bassey. So today we'll be making bread omelets. So first, to get your egg, you can use 2 eggs or more. So I'll be using 2 for this video. So you get your eggs, you add salt to your eggs, you mix, and then you get your veggies. Any veg you want to put inside, no problem. But I'll be using just green pepper and carrots. You can use other stuffs too, like you can add bell peppers and any other thing you want to add, but I'll be using just green pepper and carrots. So after that, you mix everything together, then you add your spicy pepper and any other spice you want to add, but I'll be using just salt and spicy pepper and black pepper also. So that's all. So after the spicy pepper, you just add your black pepper also to it, and then you mix. After mixing, you set it aside, then you get your bread. Now for the bread, we're going to be removing the middle. So if you can use maybe a plate or a cup or anything to remove the middle, to make the middle fine and smooth, no wahala. If you can't, you can just use knife and do it the way I'm doing it. So the goal there is just to remove the middle. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, kindly help us turn on the notification button after subscribing so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video. And then lastly, please make yourself known in the comment section by dropping your name and the country or state you're watching from, so we can make a shout out to you, or we can send you a big hug. Thank you, and feel free to check out our channel for other recipes. We have other interesting recipes. So after you're done with your bread and mixing of your ingredients, all you need to do is get your pan, spread butter or oil on the pan, and now you add your bread to the pan. Now that middle we took off is because we want to add egg to the middle. So now you're just going to add egg to the middle of the bread. That's the empty middle space. That's the middle of the bread. Yeah, you just add eggs to it. Just spread your eggs there, and you allow the egg fry. You allow the back fry. When it fries, you flip it over. So there are 2 options. You can either use the middle the middle bread you removed, to cover it back, like cover the egg, so that when you flip over it won't scatter, or just for covering sake, or because you don't feel like throwing that part of the bread away or stuffs like that. So you can just use it to cover and then you flip over, or you can just fry the normal way and then just flip over without having to add or involve the other bread you removed. So it is that simple, and that is how to make bread omelette. Please let us know what you think about this video in the comment section. We would love to know. Have you tried bread omelette before? Even if you've tried it, was it this way you tried yours? Let us know in the comment section. Would you love to try this? Let us know in the comment section. And also feel free to request your video, any video you want to see on our channel that is not there yet. Just let us know. Even if it's there and you want us to create a new one, please let us know in the comment section so that we can make the video. And if it is something we can't do, we would surely let you know. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, like I said. Thank you. So now you're just doing the same thing for as many bread as you're going to use. Just put the spread butter on the pan, add your bread, spread your egg in the middle, and you flip. Once it's ready, you take it off, and now this is our bread omelette. You can eat this with anything. I ate mine like that with Pepsi. You can decide to eat yours with a sauce, or eat it with ketchup or chocolate or bama, any of the above. And like I said, you can eat it like that because I ate mine like that. You can decide to eat it with coffee or tea also. And as you can see, this is bread and egg. Like, this is bread and egg omelette, and it's super yummy and delicious. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day. Bye.